Hi all, I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to open up my 10 round challenge pack that just came in the mail. So all the goodies that come with it. So to start, let's see. We have Get Results with Your Beachbody Challenge Pack pamphlet. So 1, get support from your coach, and I'm a coach, so if you sign up, that would be with me. 2, nourish your body with Shakeology and work out daily. So making sure that you're drinking the Shakeology, which comes with the challenge pack for the first month, and then working out every day, or sometimes there's those rest days in there, and with 10 rounds there are rest days. Stay on track with Team Beachbody, including Beachbody On Demand. So that means that you can stream it from any device. So you could do your phone, your tablet, your iPad, your laptop. I do it off of my Apple TV. It's awesome because then you can take it anywhere. So if you go on vacation, you take it, you have it with you. Yeah, and then if you don't have Wi-Fi on vacation, you can download the program, different workouts that you know you would be doing on those days that you're gone. Download them to your device, and then you have them to be able to watch, even if you don't have Wi-Fi. Stay on track with Team Beachbody. Oh, we did that one, sorry. 4, reward yourself. So I just did this because I did do the 10 rounds and before, so now I sent in my pictures. So you want to make sure that when you're first getting started, you're doing a before picture and an after picture, so you can send it in, taking your measurements, and I don't believe they ask you for your weight, but you know, that's good for you to know what's going on with your body. Okay, and then they talk about Shakeology, and this looks good, chocolate Shakeology pie. I have not tried that before. I have to try that out. Okay, so the pamphlet for that, and then we have a 10 rounds getting started book. So my guess is the calendar and everything's in here. I haven't opened it up yet. Let's see. Then we have the bands. So these were great because you use them in pretty much every workout that they did. So some days you did weights, which you sometimes use the bands, not always, but the boxing days you use the bands. So they're different resistances so that you can bump up each week and be able to get stronger and stronger. And then let's see, we have for the Shakeology, so they send you a little booklet on it, and I believe it tells you some recipes here. Let's see. Yes, so Shakeology recipes. So they'll give you some great recipes, and you can find recipes all over. Like if you Google it or if you go onto Pinterest, there's a ton of different recipes that you can do with Shakeology. And then they have all the different flavors. They have chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, cafe latte, tropical strawberry, and pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice is one of my favorites, but I believe it's seasonal, so they don't always have it. And let me tell you about what's in it. And then I just want to show this page, backed by science. So it reduced desire to eat by 58%, reduced hunger by 51%, and then helped participants age 25 plus eat 180 fewer calories. So they did 41 participants, and then they had them eat, some of them had Shakeology and some of them just had a different kind of shake that had the same amount of calories in it. And afterwards, about half an hour afterwards, they had them eat pizza, and the people who had Shake-O ate 180 fewer calories. So they decided that they were full after another piece, not to have another piece of pizza, which is awesome. And I find that having, like, sometimes I'll have it for breakfast and sometimes I just have it for a snack, and that it really does, it fills me up. And sometimes, like, if I have it for a snack too late, by the time it gets to dinner time, I'm like, I'm not really hungry yet, so I have to make sure that I drink it early enough as my snack. There's that. And then the Shakeology. So I am gluten and dairy intolerant, so I got the plant-based one, and it has the chocolate in it, vanilla in it, and cafe latte in it. So, and then these are it can come in a big bag, or it comes in, let's see if I can open it, these little packets. So then if you're traveling too, you can just take it with you. There's that. And then it comes with a shaker bottle to be able to drink it. And I have a bunch of I have some of these and then some of the blender bottles, and I love Love it. Use it all the time. Use it daily. And then this does not come with it. Disclaimer, does not come with it, but I wanted the hoodie. It looks so comfy for the 10 rounds program. Let's see here. So here's the front, and then here's the back. So I'll definitely wear that when I start the program again. So I am going to be doing the program again with my friend, and she is also a coach, and so we're going to work together. I'm going to do 10 rounds, and she's going to do a hybrid of 2 other Beachbody programs. So if you're interested at all, you know, email me, comment below. I will put up my Instagram my Instagram handle, so that you can contact me there, okay? I'd love to have you join me. I love this program. And side note about the program is that each week you go to different locations. So like you could be in LA one week, and then the next week you're in Miami, and then you're in Texas, and then you're in New York. And I love it because it just it freshens it up. So it's not like, it doesn't get old as you're working out each week. You're like, where am I going this week, you know? So I love it. If you want to join me, let me know.